Hey man, say man. It's your boy Beau Rakes, man.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Beau Rakes coming to you live from La Caleta in La Romana, Dominican Republic. All right, this is one of my favorite places when I'm in DR laying low. I don't see like a bunch of gringos. There's not a lot of whoremongers. There's not a lot of expats. This is where I come to chill and get the real deal Dominican authentic experience. It's a beautiful little town, and if you look north up here, they just finished the Malecon. At night, bars, restaurants, everybody's sitting here drinking, having a good time. I really like this vibe and feel. A lot of my Dominicans from New York, they got a lot of family here, so I come down here and hang out and chill with them. I found out about this place maybe about 5 years ago, and ever since then, when I get a chance, I'll come visit. Look how beautiful this is. If you guys don't have a drone, you're a content creator, get you a drone. You have a better perspective, a better view when you get a drone. It just opens up your content to a lot of different things. So, matter of fact, the last time I was here, it was during COVID, so it wasn't as popping. But look at it, man. It's really dope. It's really nice. This is about 25 minutes away from Casa del Campo, which is a real nice area. About an hour and a half away from Punta Cana. So if you want an authentic feel, take your day trip from Punta Cana to La Romana. It's about maybe 30, 40 minutes, an hour from San Pedro, Wandolio. San Pedro, a lot of my homies say San Pedro, so this is a good medium place for me if I'm on the South Coast. I want to be on the countryside, the chill side, so this is a great medium for me. Look how beautiful this is. Look at the water. You have some resorts here, but it's not like Punta Cana. The water's calm and nice. Man. Only thing I dislike about Punta Cana is 7 hours away from Puerto Plata. But man, I was sitting here right here, this spot. A couple of Haitian girls run this spot right here. Having some fish, all kind of bars and restaurants in this little area. My Airbnb was up the street, maybe 4 blocks away. That's your boy Big Spew. Working these drone views for y'all. Look at that. Come on, man. If y'all ever down by Punta Cana, La Romana, check out La Caleta. It's your boy Beau Rakes, man. Big Spew, bro. I'm out, man.